Personnel's Office, from the last 3 years, the Pakistani numbers have grown more than 25%. I think that's a big achievement. We also have 10 executives. I want to acknowledge the executive who's with us today in this event. We have a Muslim officer, a new Muslim officer, President, Captain Wahid up there with us. He's also the first Pakistani captain who got promoted in 2016, sir. Thank you for your services. We have a Deputy Inspector, Ms. Banu. We have Captain Wes Manzala. We have Inspector Leewan with us from Intel. We have Captain Asif Iqbal. We have newly promoted Captain Ehtisham Khan. And another captain who got promoted last week, Captain Zagam Abbas. And we have the Captain Ali Javed with us. We also have another captain, I think he didn't make it today. His name is Captain Yasin Mobeen. He's the commanding officer for 72 Precinct. Guys, thank you. Reaching to those ranks is not easy. And who knows better than you guys? Especially the immigrants who come from the other country. And I think this is a dream come true. We're really proud of you guys, and you guys are real hero and role model for all the Pakistani American who live in America and New York City. Thank you for everything.
Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.